Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu is a visionary man, a man of intelligence and wisdom. Through his native intelligence and political wisdom, he has bred and groomed many politicians across the country who are now senators, House of Representatives members, ministers, governors, state House of Assembly members, chairmen of federal boards, secretaries general of different agencies and parastatals, to mention but few. These are his credentials. These are the things that the bamboo people with, the boo people with. Tell us now, how is the country? How is Lagos? How are Lagosians faring? Pick individuals, and that is the tactics they are using, all in the name of empowerment. Pick few individuals, give them peanuts. Those are the ones that the Egbe wagers that will be speaking. How has that transformed the country? We are talking of individuals. In the latest speech credited to Governor Nasir Rufai, the executive governor of Kaduna State, where he said openly that he and Senator Ahmed Tinubu are not friends, though many people read different meanings to what Governor Nasir Rufai said concerning Bola Ahmed Tinubu as against the reason given by Governor Nasir Rufai himself. One of the reasons which I think Governor Nasir Rufai made such a statement is the fact that Senator Ahmed Bola Tinubu has politically divided the North. Currently, there are some northern governors who are loyal to Governor El-Rufai, but majority of them are loyal to Senator Bola Tinubu, who assisted most of them in getting breakthroughs during the 2019 general elections. One of the governors is Governor Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, the executive governor of Kano State before the 2014-2019 governorship election and after the governorship rerun election in the state. Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu was solidly behind Governor Abdullahi Ganduje, giving him solid political support. Kano being one of the vibrant states in the north, when we are talking about politics, is also likely to be one of the determinants of the 2023 APC presidential flag bearer. The fact that the relationship between Governor Abdullahi Ganduje and Governor Nasir El-Rufai is not that cordial, and the recent Lamido Sanusi's saga, in which Governor Nasir El-Rufai played a very critical role against Governor Abdullahi Ganduje. These and others are dividing the northern APC governors, which might give Senator Ahmed Tinubu a direct chance to emerge as the party's presidential flag bearer come 2023. And the worst part of it is that you see Nigerians killed behind all these people. They are suffering. Oh, these people are not going to solve their problems. They will tell you, oh, El-Rufai is the best. Oh, Ganduje, knows how to play policies. Tinubu is the one, is the kingmaker. He can do that. At the end of the day, check all of those things. What is now the result of Nigeria as a country? What and where can we place Nigeria as a country? Well, fruitless lobbying, self-centered ambition. The North don't bend easily. Governors don't have a say when it comes to who the North will choose or support for the 2023 president, but the emirs, particularly the sultanates. The truth is that Bola is being deceived. The North will give him a joker worse than that of Abiola. Tinubu's unending control of the economy and politics of Lagos and Osun State irritates most elites in the country, and particularly the North. So what were the elites looking? What were they looking at before he got to that level? What are they looking for? The people you are calling elite now, those are the people they said he has made. He has done this for them. He has done this for them. Look at how Lagos is. Look at how Lagos is very, very unkept with all the money. Very, very unkept. You just hear that their IGR is like this. It's like as the tallest building in Dubai, and yes, nothing to show for it. They will just be making math. I don't know whether suffering is part of what we are supposed to be living with in Nigeria, because people don't even get it. They don't get it. You can imagine. Well, moreover, APC will divide before the presidential election, and at the end of the day, they will now choose you as their presidential candidate. This one is saying that, well, everyone to his tent, he don't reach Otoge. My super support for Jagaban Tinubu for president, the most experienced politician. Baba is far better than Rufai. Tinubu set a beautiful template in Lagos, which other governors after follow judiciously. Yes, good example. Looting the treasury, Agbero landlord, Agbero all over the place, touts all over the place, turning them into India hemp smokers and extorting money by force on the road called Agbero. Is that life or a cost life? I don't understand, and that is it. And that is it. They will pick few individuals that they know that they can strategize. All those ones will begin to be their fans as well. And I don't know. They said he made some people governors, he made some people this. Of what use is it to our economy now? It is just for them, their own cliques, just for them. And at the end of the day, how about transforming the people's lives according to what they've been talking about? How has it affected the general populace? I don't just get it. All these policies that people are just playing, I'm not even interested. People just love to be behind or keep behind all these politicians that don't even know whether they exist. Northerners only like themselves. Don't go there. Tinubu might get APC tickets, but the Northerners will vote their person irrespective of the party. And their peace and tranquility afterwards. Okay, yes, they love themselves. They love their tranquility and peace. Tinubu and Ganduje are birds of the same feather. El-Rufai is a loser already. The way he handled political and security problem turned him against majority Kaduna residents. He talks as if he won't leave government house one day. Your permutations is nothing to write home about. Your eyes will soon clear that only Ganduje is rooting for Tinubu is not going to help him in the long run. The presidency should go to southeast, north central, or northeast. No deposit thief will have a way again. Asiwaju, the king of politics, someone say lie. It's only in Lagos and Ogun. You people worshipped him as gods. Hausa people will disgrace him. Now there's Sabio, whether they like him or whether they disgrace him. Those who who love him and those who are going to disgrace him, check whether their lives are even better in the first place. All of them following people, follow. Where will he lead them? Nowhere. Tinubu should be given the position of national chairman of APC instead of president, because if president is zoned to the South will still have to come together and decide the zone, which is likely to be southeast. But if the South refuse to come together and put their house in order because of individual ego and selfish interest, then it will give chance for northern candidates to emerge. All of them, this one emerge, the other one emerge. Who is going to make Nigeria great? The only thing they will tell you that Nigeria cannot disintegrate because of our numbers. Our number is this, and yet the number and the population and our diverse in culture in everything has not yielded any positive results, but it's only beneficial to the few politicians. So guys, let's hear your opinion concerning this division among the northern governors concerning about Tinubu.